It's National Voter Registration Day. It's one of the most important and wonderful things about being a United States citizen, about naturalizing, is the ability to choose who your leaders are going to be. Now, National Voter Registration Day is a nonpartisan civic holiday celebrating nothing more than our democracy here in the United States. It was first observed in 2012. It has gained momentum ever since. Nearly 3 million voters have registered to vote on this holiday to date. Now, remember, if you have registered today, don't forget to vote. If you're a U.S. citizen or a newly minted U.S. citizen, you can vote. And you can vote for anybody you choose to vote.
This is very important, especially for us. Like, we have to go out there and vote. We all have to. I do everything I can to make sure that everybody understands how important it is for us to vote.
And by the way, you can make sure if you're a citizen and you're not sure if you're registered to vote or not, you can go to registertovote.org. It's REGISTER, the number 2, vote.org, and you can type in your name and see if you are registered. How's that?
Right before we started this show, there was my younger cousins were actually texting in I was very impressed in our group chat, and they're like, hey, you guys, just make sure you guys are all eligible to vote. And I just feel like it is a conversation amongst a lot of people. I mean, I posted it on my Instagram stories, and I just think it's important that just as much as I'm an influencer for beauty and fashion and lifestyle things, like, this is part of a lifestyle. Is like making sure that, you know, you're influencing in times that are really important for our entire nation. So yeah, everyone go vote.
I even have friends that are so like into this that they're like, they've already put in that they're going to mail in their vote, but they're not even going to do it through USPS. They're going to do it through like FedEx because they want to make sure they get the tracking number. They want to make sure that it's going to go to where it's supposed to go to. So I love that our generation is so into it now, so because back in the day, like, we were just like, oh, whatever, it's not really going to make a difference. But if everybody says that, then we get somebody like Trump.
If you remember Gore versus Bush, Bush became president in 2000. You may not remember this. Remember the hanging Chad? They were debating whether they had punch cards in 2000 in Florida.
Oh yeah,
and
yeah.
They were debating, somebody would punch a punch card and there was a hanging piece of paper, but the punch didn't go all the way through. Is that a valid vote? And ended up, yes, and it ended up that Bush won in Florida by a couple of hundred votes out of an entire state of Florida. So that changed the world. Think about it. If Al Gore was president, would we have invaded Iraq? I don't know.
Right.
If Al Gore was president, what would climate change be like right now? I don't know. And it was by a couple hundred votes in Florida that Bush won. Had Gore got 500 more people to come out that felt like their vote didn't matter and got them to vote for Al Gore in Florida, the world would have changed. Al Gore would have been president, and who knows what would have happened. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.